this is certainly getting frustrated. For about the 5th time this spring, my barn is flooded. I've dug trenches. I don't know what to do. It only happens when we get a bunch of rain dumped at the same time. If it's nice normal rain, this doesn't happen. So I will be cleaning the barn this morning for, again, about the 5th time.
Don't go that way.
Well, as you can see, it's a water gap repair. And this is a temporary fix, but I think it will keep the cows from going out. Problem is getting out of the creek. I already went swimming once, and it is deep, as you can see. Fun and games. And of course, the kids were here making fun of me. At least I didn't have me falling in on camera. Hung up in the other day and it wouldn't start. You gotta have a little fun. Hey, good morning everyone. It is Wednesday, June 11th. I can guess you can say it's kind of a special day. It is my birthday. The birthdays, I think, when you get to my age, I guess they're worthy of celebration because you're still around. So I've been out here in the barn. I've got my 3 replacement dolings fed and my buck fed. And I'm waiting on the hoof trimmer to get here to trim the feet on my horse. He should be here any time. And then finally, after all the rains we've had, I finally have enough trenching and clean some stuff out that the barn actually didn't flood the last rain we had. So that's a real positive. And it is a nice sunshiny day. The downside is I have a dentist appointment at 2 o'clock this afternoon because I chipped a tooth eating, of all things, an Oreo cookie. So that's a little morning update. It's horse trimming day. Well, I think every 8-week schedule. It's usually at 9 o'clock of a morning, and this is Logan Burpo with his farrier business. And I think he has 2 stops on my road to mine and 1 other one that he does. So he tries to, I think, do 3 horses here on this particular road. So Logan, you got any words of wisdom this morning?
No.
You know, I ask all my guys when I go places if I got any words of wisdom. I haven't learned anything from you guys.
Yeah, I'm not very smart. I make a living with my head between my knees.
So anyway, that's the next project this morning, is getting these feet trimmed. Well, these calves are pretty much going through feed pretty darn quick. So I just went to the feed mill and fill up the creek feeder. And I believe this is a 500-pound capacity feeder. My daughter and I just put 200 pounds in it. Last weekend. But since we sell calves by the pound, I guess that's a good thing. They're gaining. Well, the next step is filling up. Well, I'm not going to fill it up because I don't have as many calves. But creep feed going into the creep feeder that's here at home. And I think there's 8 calves in here. Well, I must be getting weak in my old age. This tree, what you can see part of it, I drug out of the creek because I didn't want it taken out the fence later. And I was able to split part of it with the splitting maul. And it is pretty sure this is walnut. But I could not get these last several pieces to split. And I know that I'm getting older, but I don't think I'm that old. So I brought the wood splitter down to get these split up. Feeder. Giving a shot of loot. And putting a new Estrus Alert sticker on them. One. Pretty easy to pull the CIDRs. Okay, I just pulled the CIDRs on the last 7 cows that haven't been AI'd. Hopefully they'll be in 48 hours at least, and if anything that doesn't come in, I'll breed on time. So I think that's a wrap on this week's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great weekend, and share with your friends, and please encourage them to hit that subscribe button. Until next time.